For today's video tutorial, we will learn how to use Google My Business for local SEO. To start, we will sign in. We'll put our business name, then click our business type, your website, but for now, we'll click skip. Business category, our business address. Skip. Continue. Verify. Your business hours. So for now, we'll just try to make that we open every week. Next. Next. Then add our business description. For now, we'll just skip our photo. Then you can click to choose Google Ads to advertise your business. Then you can have your custom domain for your website. And you can edit once you are verified. Now, as we can see that our business is still not publicly visible and we need to get verified to start our business to be visible in Google. Now, to rank our business, if you include a website on our Google My Business, the best thing to do is to post every day on your website to make Google know that you are engaging to your clients every day. And that's how to use Google My Business for local SEO. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.